Okay, if you're watching this, that means you needed help with number 3. So the first thing I should do in any factoring problem is check for a greatest common factor. There is not a greatest common factor in this problem. We have a 2, a 7, and a 6. Those don't have a GCF except for 1. So now we move on, and since it begins with a number and x squared, that means we're going to be doing splitting the middle term. So to start that, we multiply our first and our last number, and we get 12. And then we look for numbers that multiply to 12 and add to the middle number of 7. Okay, if you're unsure, again, just make a list of all of the different possibilities that multiply to 12. That's all we have. The ones that also add to 7 are 3 and 4. Okay, now we need to, since it's called splitting the middle term, we need to take our equation and we need to rewrite it with a split middle term. So we're going to change 7x into 3x and 4x. Everything else is going to stay the same. We will then factor out the GCF from the first 2 terms and the second 2 terms separately. We get a GCF of x here, and we get a GCF of 2 here. Luckily, our parentheses match because that means we did everything right. Our first parentheses is x plus 2, so the stuff that's on the outside of both of those parentheses, and our matching parentheses becomes our second one. If you struggled with that problem, I'm going to give you another problem to do that I would suggest you do. Pause and then come back to check your answer. The other problem I would suggest you do is 2x squared plus 13x plus 6. So try that problem, pause, and then come back. For this one, you should have gotten 2x plus 1 times x plus 6. And I'm not showing my work there, so if you did get that one wrong as well, please come and talk to me so I can help you out.